Kansas City is preparing to welcome the world. With the FIFA World Cup coming here this summer, visitors from across the globe will soon be arriving to experience everything Kansas City has to offer. At the center of it all is Arrowhead Stadium, home of the Kansas City Chiefs and one of the host venues for this summer's World Cup. Known for its passionate fans, electric atmosphere, and record-setting crowd noise, Arrowhead has become one of the most iconic stadiums in all of sports. But beyond the games and the crowds, visitors will discover unique neighborhoods, great restaurants, local breweries, entertainment districts, and gathering places that help define the character of the city. Today, we're heading to two of those destinations. On the west side of the Kansas City Metro along I-435 are the Legends District in Kansas City, Kansas, and Creekside in Parkville, Missouri. We'll start here at the Legends, located next to the Kansas Speedway and the home of Sporting Kansas City. This area has become one of the region's top destinations for shopping, dining, entertainment, and sports. It's also getting some international attention. During the 2026 FIFA World Cup, reigning World Cup champion Argentina has selected Sporting KC's nearby Compass Minerals National Performance Center as its Kansas City training base. Whether you're here to catch a game, do some shopping, grab a bite to eat, or simply spend an afternoon exploring, there's plenty to see around Legends. As we start exploring the Legends District, we'll begin on the east side of I-435 with one of the area's newest attractions, Atlas 9. Atlas 9 is an immersive art and storytelling experience built inside a transformed movie theater. Visitors can explore interactive environments, discover hidden clues, experience live performances, and become part of a story that unfolds throughout the attraction. Even from the parking lot, it's easy to tell this isn't your typical entertainment venue. From the outside, it's hard to miss. The massive building, bold signage, and futuristic robot out front immediately catch your attention and make you wonder what's happening inside. If you'd like to see more of what the full experience looks like, there are several great YouTube walkthroughs where creators share their visits, explore the different rooms, and show much more of what's happening inside than I could cover here today. For now, I just wanted to highlight one of the newest and most unique attractions in the Kansas City area before we continue exploring the Legends District. Just north across the road from Atlas 9 is another one of the newest additions to the area, the Margaritaville Hotel Kansas City. Inspired by the laid-back island lifestyle made famous by Jimmy Buffett, Margaritaville brings a little tropical atmosphere to the Kansas City Metro. As you walk through the property, you'll find restaurants, bars, entertainment spaces, multiple pools, both indoor and out, with plenty of places designed to help visitors relax and unwind. It's a unique addition to the area and offers a very different experience from what most people would expect to find here in Kansas City. One of the first stops is the Land Shark Bar and Grill. With 2 levels of seating, tropical decor, and a relaxed island atmosphere, it's easy to see why this has quickly become a popular gathering spot for both hotel guests and locals alike. Continuing through the property, you'll find multiple levels of dining and entertainment, including additional bar areas upstairs that overlook portions of the resort. Whether you're looking for a meal, a cold drink, or simply a place to unwind, there are plenty of options throughout the hotel. As you explore, you'll also notice Jimmy Buffett's influence throughout the property. From the themes and memorabilia to the laid-back, island-inspired atmosphere, the resort does a great job of bringing the Margaritaville lifestyle to Kansas City. Even on a quick walkthrough, it's easy to see that this is much more than just a hotel. It's designed to be a destination all its own. Whether you're visiting Kansas City for a tournament, a concert, a weekend getaway, or simply looking for a staycation close to home, Margaritaville has quickly become one of the area's most recognizable destinations. If you'd like a more detailed look at everything the property has to offer, be sure to visit the Margaritaville website linked in the description, where you'll find a much more complete walkthrough of the resort. Before we head across to the west side of I-435, it's also worth mentioning another attraction coming soon to this area. K1 Speed will be bringing its high-performance indoor electric go-kart racing experience out to this area, adding yet another entertainment option to the growing Legends District. Now let's head west across the highway and explore the heart of the Legends District itself. Now we've crossed over to the west side of I-435 and into the heart of the Legends District. As we walk in towards the west side of Legends, this open gathering space serves as one of the central hubs and is surrounded by shopping, restaurants, entertainment, and plenty of places to simply sit down and enjoy the atmosphere. A few of my personal favorites are located right here. Jazz Louisiana Kitchen is great because the food is fantastic, the portions are generous, and the atmosphere is unlike just about anything else you'll find in the Kansas City area. Another favorite is Yard House. If you're a beer fan, you'll find one of the largest selections of beers on tap anywhere in the metro. Their happy hour is one of the best around, and if you've never tried the happy hour nachos, I highly recommend them. They're big enough that an entire table can share them and still leave satisfied. You'll also find Cold Stone Creamery nearby for dessert, along with Dave & Buster's for games, food, and entertainment. That's really what makes the Legends so popular. No matter who you're with, there's usually something for everyone. As we continue walking through the district, you'll notice this is much more than a collection of restaurants. The Legends is designed as an outdoor shopping and entertainment destination where you can easily spend several hours exploring. Whether you're looking for sports apparel, outlet shopping, specialty stores, gifts, or just some window shopping, there are dozens of options throughout the district. You'll find everything from sporting goods and team merchandise to national retail brands and outlet stores. One of the things I enjoy most about the Legends is that it works for just about any type of visit. You can bring the family for an afternoon of shopping and entertainment, meet friends for dinner and drinks, catch a game nearby, or simply spend some time walking around and taking in the atmosphere. This fountain plaza serves as the heart of the Legends District, with the AMC Legends 14 Theater standing just beyond it. While we've highlighted a few of my personal favorites today, we've only touched on a handful. The reality is there are so many restaurants, shops, and entertainment options here that you could visit multiple times and still find new things to try, because there's something here for just about every taste and interest. Before we leave the area, I'd be remiss if I didn't at least show you Children's Mercy Park, home of sporting Kansas City. It's sitting right here next to everything we've been exploring today and has helped turn this entire area into one of the biggest entertainment destinations in the metro. We've seen new attractions, restaurants, shopping, hotels, and now one of the top soccer venues in the country. But our tour isn't over yet. Let's jump back in the car and head about 10 miles north to Creekside in Parkville, a growing mixed-use district featuring restaurants, breweries, shops, and gathering spaces. As we get to Creekside, our walking tour begins at Johnny's Tavern, one of several Johnny's Tavern locations throughout the Kansas City area. With dozens of televisions throughout the restaurant, Johnny's has become a popular destination for catching Chiefs games, Royals games, college sports, and other major sporting events. The atmosphere is casual and welcoming, making it a great place to gather with friends, grab a meal, and spend a few hours watching the game. Beyond the food and drinks, you'll also find activities like pool tables and darts, giving visitors a few more reasons to stick around after the game ends. As we continue through the Creekside area, you'll notice that Johnny's fits right in with the overall vibe here. It's relaxed, family-friendly, and serves as a popular gathering spot for both Parkville residents and visitors exploring the area. Whether you're stopping in for lunch, meeting friends for happy hour, or looking for a place to watch the next Chiefs game, Johnny's Tavern is one of the anchors of the Creekside development and a great place to start our tour. Just a short walk from Johnny's Tavern brings us to one of my favorite stops in the Creekside area, Char Bar. Whenever guests come into town, this is usually one of the places we end up visiting. Between the barbecue, the outdoor atmosphere, and everything there is to do here, it's easy to spend an entire afternoon hanging out with family and friends. One of the things that makes Char Bar unique is that it's more than just a restaurant. Outside, you'll find plenty of seating, lawn games, and gathering spaces that create a fun and relaxed environment throughout the year. For pickleball fans, Char Bar has become a popular destination, with both indoor and outdoor courts available right on site. And of course, there's the barbecue. While everyone has their own favorites, if you're visiting for the first time, I definitely recommend giving the JoJo potatoes a try. They've become one of my personal favorites whenever I stop by. Between the food, the pickleball courts, the outdoor seating, and the overall atmosphere, Char Bar has become one of the anchors of the Creekside development, and one of the places that helps make this area such a fun destination to explore. As we continue across from Char Bar, the area opens up into one of the community's central gathering spaces. Surrounded by apartments, restaurants, breweries, and entertainment venues, this open green space gives the entire development a neighborhood feel that's hard to find in many newer mixed-use developments. Just beyond the green space, you'll find two popular local destinations, Boho Brewing and Whiskey River Pizza and Pub. One of the unique things about these neighboring businesses is how well they work together. Visitors can enjoy locally crafted beer at Boho Brewing, grab a meal at Whiskey River, and easily move between the two while enjoying indoor and outdoor seating. At the center of the lawn is a beautiful tree that becomes even more impressive after sunset when it's illuminated at night. This open area serves as a natural gathering place for residents and visitors alike. Whether people are meeting friends, walking their dogs, attending community events, or simply enjoying a nice day outdoors, there's almost always something happening here. Nearby, you'll also find one of Kansas City's famous Heartland art sculptures, part of a citywide collection that celebrates the spirit and culture of the Kansas City region. Our final stop in Creekside is X Golf, an indoor golf simulator experience that allows golfers to play some of the world's most famous courses without ever leaving Parkville. Whether you're looking to work on your swing, compete with friends, or simply enjoy a round regardless of the weather outside, X Golf has become a popular gathering place for golfers of all skill levels. That wraps up our tour of the Legends District and Creekside in Parkville. Let me know in the comments if you visited any of these spots, what your favorite is, or if there's something I missed that should be included on a future tour. As we zoom back out over the Kansas City Metro, you can start to see how these destinations fit into the bigger picture. From shopping, dining, and entertainment at the Legends, to the walkable restaurants, breweries, and gathering spaces of Creekside, these are just a couple of the many great areas waiting to be explored around Kansas City. If you enjoyed the tour, be sure to like, subscribe, and join me for future adventures as we continue exploring the Kansas City area and beyond. Thanks for watching.